This next section is actually one of my favorite parts of the totally free Amazon Masterclass for publishers. It's about developing ancillary products and spin-off brands. Let's get started.
So let's take a look at these products that I searched for on Amazon, and what do they have in common? You have a teddy bear, you have a t-shirt or a sweatshirt, and then you have a wine goblet. And you can clearly see that Mother of Dragons is the common theme on all these products. And actually, if you look around, you'll find many more examples like this, where a book brand has turned into another type of product. Maybe it's licensed, as in this case, or maybe somebody independent is creating the products, or maybe the author or the publisher themselves are creating the product. But the idea is that other things arose from the book publishing brand. And I know you may be saying, well, Game of Thrones and the Magic School Bus, those are not good examples because these are international or national book series that have television exposure. And it's true. But I'd like you to consider this as well. These is an opportunity to actually create new types of products to supplement your income as a publisher. The book market really is not growing that much, and there's lots of reasons for it. I'm not going to get into it here, but merchandise or other spin-off brands are an opportunity to basically supplement your book income and also maybe even attract new people to your brands. And if you're an independent publisher, usually you have a lot of flexibility to do things like this. We move pretty quickly. We already have the IP. When I say IP, I mean intellectual property, and we have access to all these low-cost platforms to test and to see if we can sell these things, including social media, Amazon Seller Central, and that is this particular program right here to sell things other than books, as well as Shopify, eBay, and Etsy. These are all platforms that publishers can use to try out other types of brands.
I hope this video helped you a lot. If it did, please consider liking it and sharing it with other people. And also, there are many more videos in the totally free Amazon Masterclass. Hope to see you soon.